Hey everyone, welcome to something totally wild today. I'm taking you inside North Korea. Not the big headlines about nukes or leaders, but the real daily life of 26 million people stuck there. It's so shocking, so crazy. You might think I'm making it up, but I'm not. This isn't some sci-fi movie or a spooky story. Every single word I'm about to say is 100% true, straight from people who've lived it, escaped it, or seen it with their own eyes. And trust me, it's going to change how you look at your own day, your freedom, your choices. Imagine this. You wake up, but you can't pick your own shirt. You can't grab whatever you want for breakfast. You can't even think what you really feel. Not at home, not anywhere. Say one wrong word, you're gone, vanished. No trace left. Don't cry when the leader dies. You're locked up in a heartbeat. Try to run from this madness? Your whole family pays. Mom, dad, brothers, sisters, even your little kids. This isn't a game or a bad dream. This is daily life in North Korea, a prison pretending to be a country. Today, we're going step by step through what a day looks like there. What they wear, what they eat, what they do, and what they're scared of every single minute. Don't click away, stay with me till the end, because the full story is going to blow your mind. This is the truth they've kept hidden for over 70 years. And it's all about how people survive from sunrise to sunset. Are you ready to see what it's really like? Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the bosses, the ones who control every second of life here. It's one family, the Kims. They've been running North Korea for over 70 years, 3 generations calling the shots. It all started with Kim Il-sung back in 1948, right after World War II ended. He took power and turned the country into his own personal kingdom, his rules, his way, no one else's. When he died in 1994, the streets filled with people crying, some because they had to, some maybe for real, because his son, Kim Jong-il, was ready to take over. Kim Jong-il was different, colder, smarter, a guy who loved power and weird stuff like kidnapping movie directors to make films for him. Then, in 2011, he died, and his son Kim Jong-un stepped up, young, unpredictable, and just as tough. 3 men, 1 family, ruling 26 million people like they're toys on a shelf. They live in a whole other world, palaces with shiny gold ceilings, private islands, feasts with steak and fancy wine. Kim Jong-un's got a yacht and a movie theater full of Hollywood stuff, while kids outside his gates eat dirt to stay alive. Their faces? You see them every day, huge portraits hanging in every home, every school, every little shop. You have to bow to them every morning. Keep those pictures spotless or you're in big trouble. Why? Because daily life here spins around them. They decide what you wear, what you eat, what you're allowed to say. It's not just a government. It's a family dynasty running your day like a machine. Now, picture this. You're a newborn baby. In most places, your parents dream up a cool name, plan your school. Imagine you growing up to be a doctor or an artist. In North Korea, that dream's dead before you even open your eyes. The government steps in right away and gives you something called songbun, a rank that locks your whole daily life in place. Songbun means background. It's like an invisible label stuck on you forever. If your family's loyal, maybe your dad's a big deal in the Kim fan club, you get high songbun. That means your day's a bit easier. You live in a warm house in Pyongyang, the capital, with lights and heat. You get more food on your plate, go to better schools, maybe even land a job that doesn't break your back. But if your songbun's low, your day's a nightmare, stuck in a freezing shack in the middle of nowhere, eating scraps, working till you drop. Here's the crazy part. It's not even about you. It's about your family's past. Did your grandpa fight for Kim Il-sung in the war? Then your daily life's okay. You might get rice instead of just corn. But if he was a farmer, a shopkeeper, or said one wrong thing 60 years ago, you're toast. Your whole family's cursed. Every single day a fight to survive. Take Choi, a guy whose story got out through escapees. His great-grandfather was a teacher in the 1950s. One day, he complained about taxes, just once, quietly, to a friend. Someone snitched, and that was it. Choi's family got slapped with low song bun. His daily life? Up before the sun, mining coal till it's dark. No school past age 12. Shivering in a hut with holes in the roof. His little sister wanted to marry someone better, but no one with high song bun would even look at her. Can you believe that? One old complaint from a dead guy, and your whole day, your whole life is wrecked. Let's walk through a real day in North Korea, step by step. You wake up 5 a.m., no sleeping in. There's no alarm you set yourself. A government radio blasts on instead. It's loud, annoying, and you can't turn it off. It's propaganda. Stuff like Kim Jong-un is our son, our savior. Every home has one. Apartments in the city, mud huts in the countryside. Doesn't matter. It's your morning wake-up call, whether you like it or not. Next, you get dressed. No jeans. They're banned. Too Western. Too free. Women have to wear long skirts, loose tops, nothing tight or short. Ji-young, a woman in Pyongyang, tried wearing skinny pants to a market in 2018. Big mistake. Police grabbed her right there, hauled her off to a re-education camp. She spent 6 months breaking rocks under a blazing sun, all for a pair of pants. Men, you get 15 haircuts to pick from. Short, plain, boring. A boy grew his hair long once. Cops stopped him, shaved it off in the street, then took him away. Clothes and hair aren't yours to choose. They belong to the government. Breakfast time, no cereal, no toast, just rations. Rations means small bits of food the government hands out, based on your song bun. High rank? You might get rice, a couple of eggs, maybe a carrot. Low rank? Corn and cabbage or nothing if it's a bad day. Kim Min-soo's family got 3 kilos of rice a month. 4 people? Not nearly enough. They boiled tree bark, ate leaves, dug for bugs in the dirt just to survive. Back in the 1990s, famine. Millions starved. Parents watched their kids waste away, helpless, while the Kims built bombs. Even now, hunger's a daily thing. Stomachs growling is normal. There's a black market, secret stalls with rice or fish, but if you get caught buying, straight to prison, or worse, then it's work time. Most people don't have cars or buses. They walk, sometimes miles, to get there. You're in factories, fields, or mines, 12-hour shifts, no breaks, pay, maybe $3 a month, barely anything. Pack fixed machines every day, hands cut and bleeding. He sneaked some black market rice to eat. Someone snitched. Next day, he was gone. No one knows where. Kids don't get to play. They go to school. But it's not fun. They chant Kim's name, memorize his life, not math or cool stories. A girl forgot a speech line once. Her teacher hit her with a stick till she cried. Home's no escape. You live in concrete blocks or mud huts. Cold, dark, no power half the time. Big portraits of Kim Il-sung and Kim Jong-il hang on your wall. You have to clean them every day. One family forgot. Inspectors came, took them away. Night falls and you whisper. Neighbors might hear and report you. Daily life's a cage. Every move watched. Every second controlled. Fear's part of every day too. Break a rule, like wearing the wrong clothes or sneaking extra food, and your day's over. North Korea has camps, like Camp 14, where people disappear. There's no trial, no warning. You're just gone. You work from 5 a.m. to midnight, digging dirt, hauling rocks, breaking your body, too slow. Guards beat you with sticks or chains, food, a handful of corn and dirty water, barely enough to keep you breathing. People catch rats, frogs, even grass to eat. Some die from it. Shin Dong-hyuk was born in Camp 14. His daily life was hunger, pain, and fear. He saw his mom and brother hanged. They dreamed of escaping. He got out in 2005, crawling through an electric fence. But most don't. They die, starved or beaten down. Executions are daily too. Public, loud, terrifying. Watch a movie from outside? You're dead. A woman shared Bibles with friends, shot in front of a crowd, her kids screaming. A teenager, just 16, had a South Korean drama, killed as 10,000 people watched. It's not rare. It's a warning every day. Step out of line, and you're finished. Your mind's not yours either. It's theirs. Every day. Propaganda takes over. That radio from the morning? It never stops, pumping out lies like Kim Jong-un is a god who saves us. At school, kids don't learn real stuff. They memorize Kim's stories, bow to his statues every day. Don't bow enough? You're in trouble. One boy forgot to clap loud at a speech. Guards took him away. No one saw him again. Lies are everywhere. Posters on walls. Songs on loudspeakers. Even in your sleep. They say Kim Jong-il never pooped. His body was too perfect. It's insane, but it's daily brainwashing. No truth gets in, ever. So why does this daily life stay so awful? The world doesn't step in. China keeps North Korea alive. They need it as a wall against America. They send food, money, oil, whatever keeps the Kims going. They even catch people who escape. 300 were sent back in 2019, straight to camps or death. Russia's sneaky too. They ship oil under the table. In 2022, cameras caught their ships at North Korean docks. The U.S. and its friends, they talk tough, sanctions, big speeches, but they won't fight. Why? It's too dangerous. Seoul's just 35 miles away, 10 million people, and North Korea's got nukes. One wrong move, and it's war, millions dead. Back in the 1950s, the Korean War killed over 2 million. Today would be worse. Sanctions hurt, but Kim doesn't care. He lets his people starve instead. In 2021, famine hit again. Kids died while he tested rockets. Some people even profit from this. Arms dealers love the fear. It means more sales. Politicians say it's too hard and do nothing. So daily suffering just goes on. But here's the thing. Hope sneaks in every day. People hide tiny radios, secret ones, tucked in walls, listening to South Korea at night. They hear real news, music, a free world. It's risky. If guards catch you, you're dead or worse, but they keep doing it. Hee-jin escaped in 2016. She was 22, sewing uniforms every day for almost nothing. One night, she paid smugglers everything she had, about $50, and crossed a frozen river into China. Guards shot at her, bullets cracking the ice, but she ran. She made it to South Korea after months of hiding. Others get caught and die, but they still try. That's the spark. A new day might come. One day, this cage could break. Share this video. Truth can fight back. You're free to live your life. North Koreans aren't. Want more? Comment below for Kim's full story.